April signals a seasonal transition in the sneaker space, and the latest Air Jordan 4 arrives with a bold yet balanced direction built for younger wearers. This kid's exclusive edition leans into contrast, pairing a soft all-black suede upper with vibrant hits that energize the silhouette. The suede material offers a premium feel while maintaining flexibility, though it requires extra care to keep clean. Breathability comes through the barely volt mesh netting across the panels, helping airflow while keeping the structure lightweight. Underfoot, the polyurethane midsole blends bright mango and infrared 23 tones, delivering cushioned support with subtle gradient transitions near the heel. A durable rubber outsole ensures reliable traction for everyday movement, while the heel tab uses firm TPU for easy wear and added support. Inside, textile lining and foam padding provide comfort and a secure fit. Finished with classic Jumpman branding, this release focuses on lifestyle appeal, offering a stylish and comfortable option for daily use.